Welcome to the Gettysburg AR Tour. The tour is largely built on the park's existing auto tour infrastructure. The roads are well marked and guide you through the park to a series of numbered points of interest called stops. Each of these stops are listed in the main tour screen of this app and have content associated with them. On the bottom of your screen, you can access a map of the battlefield, a help menu, settings, and a command tree for each army with information on the commanders that fought here. Just click on the arrows for each unit to expand or contract. You should start your visit in the Visitors Center, where you'll find a gift shop, museum, and the famous Gettysburg cyclorama. And then watch our intro video where you will learn about the events that led up to the Battle of Gettysburg, along with an introduction to several of the key characters. From there, follow the auto tour signs throughout the battlefield to each of the designated stops. At each stop, try to find a good viewing spot. Click on the associated stop number in the tour screen and press play to begin the video or AR experience designed specifically for that location. The AR experiences in some locations are built to be viewed from the top of an observation tower or certain monuments. The tower symbol next to each stop's name indicates which stop uses heightened viewpoints, and you can get instructions on how to reach these viewpoints by clicking on the stop itself. Once you press play, we will confirm that you are in the tower, so the experience will be set at the appropriate height. Once you're in the AR view, you can play and pause the scene, or jump back to an earlier point in case you missed something. You can also access the command tree from within a scene in case you're uncertain as to who a particular individual is. Sometimes your phone's compass can become inaccurate, and certain structures in the park like the metal observation towers can affect it. The orange arrow in the compass marks the location of a particular landmark at each stop, and it should line up in the center of your compass when pointing your phone at it. If things still look off, you can use the calibration feature. Press the button and you'll find a picture of the calibration target for this stop. Line up the black arrow on your compass with the middle of that target and press the confirm button. This should manually set everything for an accurate experience. Once you have finished the content at a stop and are ready to continue, you can click the Directions to Next Stop button to find information on how to get to the next stop and a few things to look out for on the way. Augmented reality is a battery-intensive technology. You should start the tour with at least 50% battery, and we highly recommend plugging your phone into a car charger or portable battery between stops. Also, please remember that this is a solemn place. Please be respectful of others while watching the tour and use headphones so that you do not disturb other guests. That's it. You are now ready to start the Gettysburg Augmented Reality Tour.